Let's run this model on the cloud. So click on Run on the cloud. And the first thing to do is to estimate how much time in core-hours it will take. You see that this is a really small model, so it's really fast to calculate. It only takes 0.001 core hour. So let's just use that. Let's run this model and let's wait that it computes and that I get my results back. Simulation is finished. Click on Storage. Refresh if needed the jobs to make sure you're looking at the last results calculated on the cloud server. And download all the results. Once it's finished and you have downloaded the results, switch to the post-processor. And once you're in post-processing, open the File Explorer tab here. Go is the folder of the results you just downloaded, and you'll see that you have two types of results which are openable. They are shown with a little gray icon. One is FLX HST, which is the time history, so double click on it to open. And the other one is FLX data, which contains the maximum acoustic pressure.